Let me show you how I made this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape. I have to pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill, select another fill color and go to Insert, go to Shape, pick an oval shape, hold down the Shift key and drag it over here, and let me zoom out, increase the size and place it here. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, place it here. Go to Shape Fill, select another fill color, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over like this. Go to Shape Fill, select another fill color. Now let me select the rectangle shape and these three oval shapes and go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape, click on Fragment. Then delete this part, this area, this part. Just select and click on Delete. Now delete this part and this area. Now let me select this shape, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Fill, select this fill color. Go to this one and let me, here I have another oval shape. You may change the fill color, then you will find it perfectly. Let me select this one, go to Shape Fill, go to Picture Fill, go to From a File. I have to insert a picture from my computer. Let me insert this picture, click on Insert, go to Picture Format, go to Crop, click on Fill and place this one like this. Let me select these two shapes, go to Shape Fill. You may change another fill color. Select this two also, select another fill color. Now let me select this one, go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, Picture Fill, from File. Let me select this picture, click on Insert, go to Picture Format, go to Crops, click on Fill. Click on Fill and you may adjust it like this. Now let me select this shape, go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, select another fill, Picture Fill. Let me select this picture, go to Picture Format, go to Crop, click on Fill and this is also perfect. Now I have to add another picture as a background picture. Go to Insert, Picture. Let me select this picture, click on Insert. Click on right button and send it to back. Now let me select this shape, Shape Format, Format Shape, Fill. Increase the transparency like this, and here you have to place the picture like this and make sure it covers the whole area and place this one here. Now I have to add some text. Go to Insert, Shape, Text Box, right here the future, change the font, increase the font size, change the font color to white color. Go to Insert, Shape, pick an oval shape, hold down the Shift key, drag it like this. Shape Outline, no outline, Shape Fill, this fill color. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here. Shape Fill, select another fill color, press Ctrl D to duplicate. Shape Fill, you may change another fill color. Go to Insert, Shape. Now let me select these three shapes. Go to Shape Format, Align, click on Distribute horizontally. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a line shape, hold down the Shift key and drag it like this. Shape Outline, white, change the white to 4 point, change the shape outline to another outline color. Click on right button and send to backward. Again click on this, send to backward. Again doing the same task. Now go to Insert, go to Icon. I have to insert three icons. Select this one, and let me select these three. Click on Insert. Go to Graphics Fill, make it white fill color. Select this, hold down the Shift key, reduce the size, place it center. Select this one, hold down the Shift key, reduce the size, place it here. Select this one, hold down the Shift key, reduce the size, place it here. You may select these two, go to Shape Format, Align Center, Align Midden, then it will be perfect. Now I have to add some demo text. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box, drag it over here and paste the text here. Change the text color, change the text text size and make it justified. Now I have to add some animation. Let me select this one, go to animation, click on fly in, effect option from left, and the duration will be on seconds. Then let me select this one, go to animation painter, select this one, and the effect option will be after previous. Then let me place this one over here. I have to select the background on, and let me click on fly in, effect option from left, and it will be after previous and the duration will be on seconds. And let me place this one over here like the previous. Now let me select this text, click on wipe, effect option from left, after previous. Then select this 3, click on wipe, effect option from left, and it will be also after previous. Then select this one, then select this one, click on zoom, start after previous. Go to animation, go to animation painter. Here this one actually one click I have to change it to after previous. Now let me watch the slideshow. This is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.